Hey folks, Aaron here with Beansprout, and Larry's helping out today as my hand is in its splint. He's going to play this one for us. This is a stock instrument, and it's number 933, and it's a first for me. The body is made all of yew, Pacific yew, Y-E-W, and I got this from Kevin at woodfromthewest.com. It's a Oregon tree, and I just love how it looks and sounds for an all one wood tenor uke. So the neck is some cypress that I think matches really well. And the rest of it is some cherry, some local cherry that Larry and I pulled out of an orchard. And I love the bright sapwood on there. So these all one wood, softwood ukes, they have a kind of a crisp sound, right Larry? Yeah. Would you agree?
Nice balance.
Yeah, it's got like a cheerful. I think it's cheerful. So this one's got a low G on it, and it's a stock instrument. It's going to be for sale on our website. So I hope somebody can go over there and grab it. And let's have Larry pick some more for us.
For me?
Pretty cool. So that's number 933. It's up on the website right now. Thanks a lot.